Did you know parrots aren't just pretty birds? They might actually be smarter than your dog, and maybe even you. These birds can copy voices, sounds, alarms, even your mom calling your name. And some parrots can solve puzzles that kids under 5 struggle with. Let's dive into what makes parrots so amazing. Parrots have super strong beaks that can crack nuts like it's nothing. Some can bite harder than a dog. They spend hours preening their feathers. It's like having a built-in grooming routine. And their wings? Built for speed. Some parrots fly over 35 miles per hour. Parrots are super social. In the wild, they live in flocks, gossip all day, and help protect each other. They're also nature's gardeners. By spreading seeds, they help forests grow. And yes, they can form real bonds. Parrots remember faces and even pick favorite humans. So next time you see a parrot, remember, you're looking at a tiny, colorful genius. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to subscribe